Hello, welcome to Yan's mathematics class. Today, we will learn the fractions. So this is the first class of the unit, and this unit concludes 5 days. So let's go through it. Instruction and to quickly know what we would learn and do in today's class. So today we need to finish the objective of completing the group activity card 4. After finished this unit, we will able to master the visual vaccine model skillfully, analyze and explain the difference between equivalent fractions, evaluate and apply the size of two different fractions, and create comparison results using symbols greater than, equal, and less than. So here, open your Google Classroom and click the clock to see the do now. So do now is the video to titled Let's Learn the Fractions with the main concept of the fractions. So it will explain what's the meaning of the numerator and disseminate. Warm up your previous knowledge about fractions. Here, let's go see the video together.
Let's learn fractions. Understanding fractions can be easy as 1, 2, 3. Just watch this video and you'll be using fractions with ease. It's easy to count whole things like a pizza, a pie, or a donut. But what if we only had part of one? How would we count it then? We'd use fractions. A fraction looks like this.
So here we need to consider 3 questions after we watch the video. So what would you take off from this video? So why do we necessary to learn fractions, and how is often to use in our daily life? So relate on your experience and give me example to explain why.
The bottom number is called the denominator. It shows how many equal pieces an object has been divided into. The top number is called the numerator. It shows how many parts of the denominator you are looking at. For example, a pizza is usually divided into 8 slices. That means that in a fraction, the denominator would be 8. If you normally eat 1 slice of pizza, then 1 would be the numerator. That means that you eat 1/8 of a pizza. If you normally eat 2 slices of pizza, then 2 would be the numerator. The denominator would still be 8 since there are always 8 slices of pizza. That would mean that you eat 2/8 of a pizza. Let's try another example. This pie is divided into 6 pieces, and you eat 4 pieces of it. If there were 6 pieces of pie and you eat 4, what is the denominator of your fraction?
So, do you have the answer?
That's right, 6. What is the numerator? Yep, it's 4. That means that you ate 4/6 of the pie. Let's try one more example.
Okay, so right now go to the classroom and here to go to the closure and to practice try if you understand what's the meaning of that. Pause and narrow. So maybe you are not understand or not clearly how to complete worksheet. Don't worry. Let's see another video and to learn what's the new about the fraction.
Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to be modeling equivalent fractions. So in other words, we'll be visualizing or seeing what equivalent fractions look like. And remember, equivalent fractions are different fractions, but they have the same value. So let's jump right into number one, where we have two rectangles that are the exact same size, but they're
This is a video to explain how to finish the worksheet A and B with detailed information and also present the new concept of the equivalent fractions. This video is about 3 minutes long and easy to present in the whole classes. So after watching this video, I will give the students more time to finish the worksheet. Pause and narrow. Then we will go to the next step. I know you maybe not know the exactly result of the worksheet. Okay, right now, to find your partner, and we will start our group activity. So this group activity is from the partner learning. So you can compare the results with each other and finish the part work together. So here, let's know what to create a cardboard and how it works. So here is the slide to give the more details about the instruction of the cardboard. So I will go through the slides with all of you. So what's the meaning of the cardboard and how to play? So the first, each player flip his or her card and place it in the center of the table. Each card represents a score, and the two players compare the score size of the cards on the table. For example, if 3/8 and 3/5 are the two cards in the center of the table, 3/5 is greater than 1/2 and the 3/8, then the player with the 3/5 win and get the cards from the other. That means he or she will get the cards of 3/8. If both players have equal values cards, the round is left on the table, and the winner of the next round wins all of the cards on the table. So in the table, you will see the materials I have prepared for all of you. A4 color cards for sheets in your worksheet, scissors, color pencil or color coin. This slide is created for how to divide the A4 papers. So this is a tips to teach you how to divide the a paper into 4 equal parts. So if you don't know, please feel free to click the video to see the more details. And the worksheet is here. So finish the worksheet, color it according to the instruction on the slide. Be careful with half, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the 10th. And the last step is to calculate the fraction in decimal notation and write down your result. Congratulations, one card is successful made. Repeat these steps to create more cards, then you can play the cards board with your partners. Pass and narrow. So students will use 10 minutes to finish their partner activity. I will go through to see if they need some help. Pass and narrow. Finally, I hope all of you enjoyed today's class. Here, you will see there is more details. So after you finished, please check this box and to see if you finished all the activities in today's class. And although there will be the links of the video and the links of the introductions. So if you didn't know how to do that, feel free to click the link to get more details and to learn more. So if you finished all and you still have the time, you can preview the day 2 class. There is also a link to see the class, and here you also can finish. Do now there is a Google form to review what you have learned from the day 1. So nice to meet you and see you in tomorrow's class. Bye.